I have seen them grow, fluttering and swaying every time the winds blow. Indeed, flowers bring diamonds to our sight. Mother Nature fills our hearts with an enormous delight. I have noticed everything, from vast oceans to deep seas, from lovely flowers to tall trees, the lakes, the falls, and the river, the mountains and the hills remain wonder until forever. I have enjoyed watching the birds landing from tree to tree. The sun, the moon, and the stars seem to talk to me. I have seen them all. I have noticed everything. Until one day when I open my eyes and I see them no more. Until one day when I looked at the sea and the trash chokes the shore. Until one day when I turned around, the forests are no longer to be found. Until one day, instead of tall trees, tall buildings are there. Until one day, people destroy Mother Nature without any care. What happened to our trees? To all the animals, the butterflies, and the bees? Will they all be gone because of our greed and callousness? Believe me, this will never lead us to happiness. Imagine what will happen to our air if waste and pollution are seen everywhere. Will we be able to feel the pleasant breeze, or continue to give ourselves this man-made disease? What happened to our rivers? What happened to the creeks? They are gradually ruined. Why can't we see? Will we continue to fill Mother Nature with dirt, or turn our mistakes into wisdom so that she will not be